Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is still holding below this trend line, so we still haven't got any confirmation that a low is in place. I think it looked a little bit as if ADA wanted to break out of this trend line, but it hasn't managed to do so. Bear in mind that on weekends the volume is usually quite low, and trendline breakouts on weekends, they sometimes don't materialize, basically because of the low volume. Of course, it also has to do a little bit with the wider crypto sector. I mean, had Bitcoin moved up, probably ADA would have given that as a more convincing signal here. But so we keep grinding below the trend line. Still no convincing confirmation that a low is in place. While Bitcoin is making new lows, ADA is actually holding a higher low at the moment. Doesn't look convincing to me, but still it's just something to watch because Bitcoin seems to be selling off extra strongly here today, while, for example, ADA plus some other coins are actually holding quite well. They are holding quite well. To be fair, they're already quite deep in support. And I will have to have a look at Bitcoin dominance later today, probably in the Bitcoin video. But the idea here is still on the ADA chart, because we haven't broken any support. We haven't broken any resistance anyway, but we also haven't broken support. Still the same. So we can look at the bullish count with some careful optimism. But at the same time, I need to see a signal here to say that the downtrend is over. The downtrend is still unfolding, so please be careful. I have a 5-wave pattern to the upside into the March highs, and then a corrective pullback, which could turn into something more bearish for sure. But obviously we're now in the pivotal area where a reversal, if the bullish count is playing out, if a reversal to the upside is starting from. Okay, it should do it from here. The 36-cent level was mentioned as a key support. So far, the price hasn't been able to pull away from it, and it's needed. It's required that we see a 5-wave pattern to the upside first. So we're going to talk about that. The levels haven't changed, so should ADA make another low, which wouldn't be entirely surprising, then we would be dealing with next support at 35.2 cents, 32.2, and then 29. These are the next support levels to watch, and there's no guarantee to get there. I mean, literally, we are deep in support, but I cannot confirm a low in place. We see a bit like something that resembles a double bottom here, but we haven't broken the trend line. So my earliest, let's say the earliest signal would be a break above the trend line. Now, it needs to be a convincing break, not like a wick and then breaking down again. And it needs to be a 5-wave move. The problem is that the rally from the Monday low, last Monday, to the Wednesday high, where the price peaked temporarily at 39.8 cents, this would be, well, it is only a 3-wave move up, right? So, you can say it might be an ABC that's forming here, but really what I need to see is, because this here is a small ABC structure, the rally to the top on last Wednesday, a small ABC rally, that C wave top could then be the top of a wave 1, but I need the 5 waves. So I need one larger wave degree, because this is only an ABC. Okay, so it's an ABC. I can leave that here on here, but don't be surprised if that low is taken out, because literally the first solid confirmation, objective confirmation that the low is in would be that 5-wave move up. Until then, because we only have a 3-wave rally here, this is all corrective. We haven't even formed a series of higher highs, higher lows. So all I can share with you, this is the area where we're watching for a reversal. It takes the development of a 5-wave move. Earliest signal might be a break above the trend line, but don't be surprised if we still go lower, because we haven't got that reversal signal. But now, even though a lot of people are now walking away from the charts, this is now the time to be watching really, actually, for signals. So definitely watching the micro closely at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.